Alright guys, you know how I was complaining about the baffles that are underneath the deck that are supposed to circulate the air? Once I did my less manicured back area, the baffles underneath the mower would become so stuffed full of debris that they just couldn't do their job. I got some good news today. I talked to a local SCAG rep and he says I can try to remove those. I'm going to take off the baffles and see how well it does. And if it does good enough, I'm just going to leave them off. Okay, blades are off and nuts are half in. This one baffle, it's got easily a ½ inch of debris stuck on top of it. This is what's on top of the mulch-kit. All of that. And I've got 3 of these, 1 per blade. That's nasty. If you guessed today's injury would be from scraping the fins, you win the grand prize. Okay, this is what we got off of each fin. Okay guys, I think that was a job well done. I drove it around, it already felt lighter. So whether that's psychological, I don't know. But we'll see. She's got less metal on her, a lot less dirt, and I think that might have been a good idea.